Welcome children. Come we will see the next topic. Okay. In 8th chapter body movements. Take your textbook. Take page number 74. Cockroach. Come we will see how the movements happens in cockroach. Okay. Come we will see. Observe a cockroach. Cockroaches walk and climb as well as fly in the air. They have 3 pairs of legs. That means how many legs? 6 legs they have. 3 pairs means 6 legs. These help in walking. The body is covered with a hard outer skeleton. Okay, hard outer skeleton. This outer skeleton is made of number of what? Plates. Number of plates joined together, and that permits movement. Okay, that permits movement. There are 2 pairs of wings. 2 pairs of wings. Okay, attached to the body behind head. Attached to the body. Look here. This is the cockroach. How many legs it has? 3 pairs of legs. 1, 2, 3 this side, 1, 2, 3 this side. So, that means 6. Okay, 6 legs. With the help of the legs, the cockroach will walk. Okay, and it also has a outer skeleton. See here, outer skeleton. It is made up of number of plates joined together, and that permits movement. Okay, and also it has pair of 2 pairs. That means 4 wings. Okay, how many pairs? 2 pairs. With the help of it, it can fly. Okay. And it is attached to the body behind head. Behind head it will have the what? Wings. Okay. The cockroaches have distinct muscles. Those near the legs move the legs for walking. So, it has muscles, different muscles. Those near the legs move the legs for walking. The body muscles move the wings when the cockroaches flies. Okay. The muscles near the legs make the legs to move, and the body muscles that helps the wings to fly. Okay. So, in this way cockroach can walk and walk, fly as well as climb. Okay, as well as climb. Come we will see about the movement in birds. Okay, movement in birds. Birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. Some birds like ducks and swans also swim in water. The birds can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. Their bones are hollow and light. The bones of the hind limbs, okay, are typical for walking and perching. Okay. See, if you take birds, it will fly in the air and walk on the ground. No, yes. And some birds like ducks and swans also swim in water. See, the birds can fly because of their body's lightweight body. Okay. The bones are very hollow. Due to that, the body of the bird is light in weight. Okay. And the bony parts of the forelimbs, okay, are modified as wings. Limbs are nothing but legs. Okay. Back, see. Forelimbs are modified as wings. The shoulder bones are strong. See the picture of the skeleton of a bird. This is the skeleton of a bird. Okay, this is the hind limb. That means the back limbs are what? Typical for walking and perching. Okay, perching, that means it can hold the prey. And the front limb, the front forelimbs, that is the forelimbs, that means the front limbs are modified as wings. Okay, in birds. These are all the what? Wings. The shoulder bones are strong. The breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight, which are used to move the wings up and down. Okay, and the breast bones, the breast bones here are modified to hold the muscles of flight, which are used to move the wings up and down. Okay. Here also the muscles helps the bird to move the bones of the wings up and down. Okay. The shoulder bones are very strong, so that the bird can fly with the help of the wings, because the shoulder bones and the breast bones are help the bird to move the wings up and down. Okay. In this way the movement occurs in the bird. It can fly in this way. Okay, it has the yes, it has the hind limbs. With the help of hind limbs, it can walk and perch Okay, with the help of that four limbs, it can, which is converted as a wings. Okay, understood, children? Come, we will see the next movement of fish, movement in fish. Okay, see, make a paper boat, take a paper and make a boat, put it in water and push it with one narrow end pointing forward. Okay, one narrow end pointing forward. Did it go into the water easily? Now hold the boat sideways and push it into the water. Okay, from the broad side. Are you able to make the boat move in water when you push it from this side? Come, we will see what happened. See here. Have you noticed that the shape of a boat is somewhat like a fish? Yes, no? Yes. The head and tail of the fish are smaller than the middle portion. Okay. See here, this is the fish. The head and tail are smaller than the middle portion. Okay. Like the paper boat. Look here, paper boat you made, no? Look here. Here in center it is broad. At the end it is water. Thin, no? Yes. So, the front and middle end portion. Okay. The head and tail of the fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body of the fish. The body, that means the body tapers at both ends. That means it ends what? It gets thin at the both ends. This body shape is called streamlined. That means it is, the body in the center will be broad and at the both ends it will be thin, shorter or smaller. That is called streamline structure. What? Streamline structure. This shape of body is called streamlined. Okay. The shape is such that water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in water, so that the fish can move. Okay, the fish can move. Look here. So that the water will flow like this side and this side. See, if it moves means it won't affect the fish. See, the water will move this side and this side, so that it can easily move front. Okay, understood? Due to this streamlined shape of the body, okay, the water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in water. The skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. That is what we are eating now, the muscles and all. Yeah. During swimming, muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side and the tail part swings towards the opposite side. So, what will happen during swinging? The muscles of the front part moves one side and the muscles of the back part moves opposite side. Okay, look here, if you take the fish, the muscles, it has what? Muscles. The skeleton of the fish is covered with what? Inside it, skeleton will be there. That you know, no, while eating fish, after eating fish, you will get the skeleton of the, that means the bone is nothing but the skeleton. Okay, the bone of the fish you got, no, you will get it, no, after eating the muscles, that means the fish. Okay, so what? The skeleton of the, so that the skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. So, during swimming, what will happen? Muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side and the tail part swings towards the opposite side. The fish forms a curve as, see here, movement of fish, see here. See, like this way it is moving. One side, if the part moves this side means the other part moves this side, opposite direction. In this way it will go like this. Okay, see here, it will go this side, this side, this side, this side, like this it will go. Okay, children, understood? Okay, this makes a jerk and pushes the body forward. Okay, a series of such jerks make the fish swim ahead. This is helped by the fins of the tail. Okay, this and the tail helps to move the direction. Okay, okay. If the fish want to change the direction, the tail of the, okay, the fins of the tail helps it to change the direction. Okay, understood, children? See, this is the jerk of a fish. In this way, by moving its what? A body in one's opposite directions, the fish is moving. Okay. Fish also have other fins on their body, which mainly help to keep the balance of the body and to keep direction while swimming. Did you ever notice that underwater divers what wear fin like flippers on their feet to help them move easily in water. Do you observe while scuba diving and all? If you go for a scuba diving, what they will give one flippers. We should wear it and we can swim like a fish and water in the water, in the sea water inside it. Okay, see, understood. Come, we will go to the next topic. How do snakes move? Come, we will see the movement in snakes now. Have you seen a snake slither? Does it move straight? Can a snake move straight? No. The snakes have a long backbone. Okay. They have many thin muscles. They are connected to each other even though they are far from one another. Okay. Even though they are far from one another, their muscles are connected to each other. Muscles also interconnect the bone, and also it has the long backbone. No, the muscles are connected to the backbone and ribs and skin. Okay, and also it connected to ribs and skin. Okay, the snake's body curves into many loops. Each loop of the snake gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. So, by pressing the ground, see here, by pressing the ground, okay, due to the body curves, the snake moves forward. Okay. Since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives this push, the snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. Due to this, it is very lengthy, due to its many loop of a body, it can move very fast. Okay. Okay. We have learned about the use of bones and muscles for the movements of different animals. So, now till now we have learned about the use of muscles and bones for the movement in the body of all the animals and also in the human being also we saw, no. Peheli and Bujo have many questions in their sacks about the different movements in animals. So much you be having many unanswered questions buzzing in you. Like you also have some more questions. Come, we will see about that. Go to next page. So, now you can understand, okay. So, now you can understand how the movements happens in some animals with the help of muscles and with the help of muscles and bones. Okay, understood children? This is about body movement in human being as well as in animals. Okay, understood?